Hi, my name's Christopher Donnellan, and today I'll be presenting a video presentation on a user manual on how to run our application from start to finish. Problem with our app running our application without a user manual is there's too many dependencies and things like this that need to be set up to run this project properly. So I'll just give you a quick demo of how to set this up and get this running. There's a couple of privacy issues along the way, but I'll list them when we get there. Okay, so I have everything we need here. I have my MetaMask that I need to add a chain to. I have my Ganache to run my blockchain. Our project is on GitHub, this directory here. I've already downloaded this. I've downloaded a zip file, RealityCheck main. So we'll just unpack this. Yay, we're unpacked. Okay. Now, reality check. Reality check main. Did I unpack that? Replace that because I didn't quite get that properly. Christopher Donlan reality check main. Rightio. Now, if we go to Visual Studio Code, I have this unpacked. I should already have everything added. So here's my project, reality check main. Client. We don't want any of that stuff, not this. This is our code. Some of our code. Smart contracts. Anyway, don't worry about this. What we want to do is we want to set up a new terminal. Once we have our new terminal, we then want to go to our README file. README file contains everything that we need to run this project. Now we have to make sure you have all this software before you begin. So Node.js, Ganache, Visual Studio Code, Mozilla Firefox, MetaMask extension in your Mozilla Firefox, and I don't know why it has Git because we don't really need the Git command. We're just downloading from our directory. We could just like Git pull to our terminal, but we won't worry about that. Okay, I'm just running our terminal here. Now, first thing we want to do, install Truffle. This may take a little while. This will take a couple of minutes to get this all set. In the meantime, while we're running these commands and waiting for these packages to install, takes a little while, so we might set up Ganache. So Ganache, if we just quick start a session, then we just run the pre-existing settings. Just a quick start. Now, once you have a MetaMask account set up, you then need to add a network. So I have the MetaMask extension installed. I'll just move my little pop-up over to here for now. Now, we have our MetaMask. Now, what we want to do is we want to go to our settings and we want to go to networks and we want to add a network. Now, this loads this. We want to add a network manually. Now, once we have this, I already have this pre-filled out. So we want Ganache is our network. The RPC URL is the RPC server of our Ganache instance we're running. Now, this is for testing purposes only. Chain ID is 1337. I had to look this up and get this. And the currency symbol is ETH. Now, I cannot add this because I've already added this. But once you have a fresh instance of MetaMask, which I do not have because I've already added this, you'll then be able to save it. So we already have this. If we go over to our MetaMask, sorry about that one, then you can see, oh, I should have 100 ETH. Okay, now we want to compile truffle. The rest of these commands put in. Change our directory over to the client. Sorry, I'm missing some of these commands. It's just these. I have that banners in the way. Do an npm install, and then we should be able to run. Now, while that's running, what we want to do is we want to create a new file in here, a .env file. Once we have this .env file, we then want to put in our Pinata API key, a secret API key, and our Pinata WJT. Now, I have this over in my Teams. Now, if we just copy this stuff over to here, same there. Okay, if we just save that, now we should be able to run this. Yay! And our project runs just like that. Thank you very much for your presentation. And that is how to run RealityCheck. I believe we've already given a demo on how to operate our application. So I won't bother you with and waste your time with that. Thank you very much. Goodbye.